1. Freelancing. If you have a skill that others are willing to pay for, freelancing can be a great way to earn money. You can offer your services on websites like Upwork or Fiverr and get paid for your work. Some popular freelancing categories include writing, graphic design, programming, and virtual assistants. 2. Online surveys. Many companies pay people to take online surveys. These surveys are usually short and easy to complete. You can sign up for survey websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie and start earning money by providing your opinions on various topics. 3. Selling items online. If you have unwanted items lying around your house, you can sell them online for extra cash. Websites like eBay and Craigslist are great platforms for selling items. You can also use social media platforms like Facebook Marketplace to sell items to people in your local community. 4. Pet sitting and dog walking. If you love animals, you can earn money by pet sitting and dog walking. Many pet owners are willing to pay for these services when they are away from home. You can advertise your services on websites like Rover or Care.com. 5. Rent out your space. If you have a spare room in your home or a parking spot that you don't use, you can rent it out for extra cash. Websites like Airbnb and Spot Hero allow you to list your space for rent to people who need a place to stay or park their car.